Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this video is about how I deep clean my makeup brushes with things just laying around the house. You will be amazed on how it turns out. I was amazed. So yeah, before we get started, please hit the subscribe button, and please also don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos. Please enjoy this makeup deep cleaning hack that I found. It is amazing. Hey guys, so I am so excited to show you guys how to deep clean your makeup brushes, like with this simple hack for deep cleaning. Like, I have done tutorials on how to clean your brushes before, and I did real techniques compared to antibacterial soap, and the foaming anti-equal from Walmart worked better than the real techniques, but this technique hack is amazing. It works so good. Like, my brushes came so clean, and this I did, like, it is dirty already. I did 2 weeks ago exactly. So, and look at this. Like, this is the foundation brush only from 2 weeks ago. So this is a 2-step process, but trust me, it is so easy. It's like mind-blowing, and it's things that you have around your household. So I am going to show you what you will need. You will need some kind of dish soap. I used Gain dish soap, and that works really well, but I'm trying this one. And then you will need extra virgin olive oil, and I'm using this one. If you do not have these products, you can go to the grocery store or buy them online if you can't get to a grocery store. So, and you will need a towel, and you need, what else? The brushes. So this is a 2-step, I'm gonna say 2 weeks, 2-step process. So I'm going to flip the camera around and start the process and show you how amazing it works. And if you haven't cleaned your brushes in a long time, I advise that you do, because it took me a long time to figure out how this concoction worked, and my brushes turned out fantastic. Like, no foundation, no residue, nothing was left in them. So and also, if you don't clean your brushes, like, bacteria gets, like, eventually bacteria will get in your brushes and just be really gross, and you're putting bacteria on your face if you don't clean your brushes. So I'm going to turn the camera around and start the process. Here we go. So as you can see, I am going to fill up the container with warm water, not cold water. You don't want it super hot. Just kind of like warm, not like scalding hot. So getting warm. So now I'm just gonna fill it up, not all the way, but just like so. And then I'm going to take my yucky brushes, and I'm just going to start adding them in, just like that. I don't know if all of them are going, like, look at this one. It is so gross. So I might have to do another round of it. So I'm going to time lapse the rest of it so I don't bore you guys, but I might have to do it in maybe not. So yeah, I'm just gonna start adding. Oh shoot, I totally missed a step. I forgot to add soap in there. So, boy. And I'm just going to take out, see, even makeup artist. So I added the soap. I just added a few squirts. Then I'm going to add all the brushes in there. So, just like so. And you want to make sure that they're all down inside. Ooh, I almost put. Okay, so there you have it. And now for the deep cleaning. Last time I went and I'm gonna turn the camera around. Okay, one more thing I forgot to add. You will need a container, which you probably have around your kitchen, and a towel for drying. So I'm going to start the process for real now. So the last time I went an hour and 30 minutes to soak them, and it worked perfectly. Sorry that this video is kind of messed up. So when you add the warm water, you want to add the dish soap in there before you start putting the brushes in there. So I'm going to let it sit for, I don't know, an hour and 30 minutes. So yeah, and I'll come back and show you the rest of the process. So as you can see, I let them soak, and this is what just the water and the dish soap did. So I am going to dump out all of the water and do the next step. Okay, so I'm gonna try it like this and show you. So I rinsed out, like I dumped out all the gross water, and the brushes are still like dirty, but they've been soaking. So I'm going to use this soap and then a little bit of this extra virgin olive oil. So I am going to show you the little concoction, and I'm going to put it in here. So I'm just adding a little bit of the soap, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna try. So I just put a little bit. So now I'm gonna open this extra virgin olive oil, and I've never used this. So I'm setting it down. Okay. And I'm just going to pour a little bit more than I have of the dish soap. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what the concoction looks like. Okay, so there's what the concoction looks like. Now I'm going to take this gross Expert Row Technique foundation brush, and I'm just going to move it around gently. See how it's all coming out? This is like the best way. So now I'm going to, see that grossness? Now I'm going to turn the water on and just start. This is like the gross part. But you see all of that stuff coming out? Like, amazing. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you like the end result. Do you see that? Like how it's coming out? I wanted to show you real quick. I just do it a couple times and it is almost all clean. Okay, so I am back. Like, look how clean, much cleaner it is. So I'm just gonna take, this is like my third time, and I'm just swirling it and lightly, and then I'm gonna turn the water on and gently just, like, look how clean that is. Okay. Like, amazing. And it's with stuff that you have at home. Like, so simple and easy to do. So I'm gonna lay it on this towel to dry, and then I'm going to do this big powdered brush. I'm getting all the water out, and I'm just gonna take it and swirl it around just like this in the concoction slowly, because you don't want to do it fast and break the bristles and all sorts of stuff. I love this. Is so simple and easy, guys. So I'm gonna flip the camera on. Sorry, I'm flipping it around and doing all this stuff, but I want you guys to see how this really works. Okay, I set the brush down there, but I'm just swirling it around, and this is like a huge brush. So I'm taking this, turning the water on, and gently, remember this is like the best powder brush, and I did a tutorial on it if you want to hop on over there and check it out. See how much cleaner that is? And there's still some in there, but now I'm going to see all the yellowness is gone, and gently do it again. And like, the reason why it turned like yellow is because of all of the foundation. So I am going to time lapse the rest of this video so I don't bore you guys with it, and I will really come back with the end results. Okay, so now they are air drying on a towel, so I'm going to let them air dry, and if you want to let them air dry overnight, you can, but I'm gonna let them dry and come back with the end result for you guys. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of the, excuse me, with the deep cleaning makeup brushes hack technique that I did. and I let them dry overnight because when I kept checking them, they were almost dry, but they still had like, you know, a little bit of moisture in them. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys the end result. It is amazing. So this is how they turned out, and I put it in this really old jar. It was my mom's, long time. I love this technique. Like, it is so, like, look at, it's so fluffy. Well, sorry. It's so fluffy still. So now I'm going to flip the camera around. I'll show you a little brush that I did comparison. So clean, and they are so soft. Okay, the only thing that I want to say in this end result is that 2 weeks ago when I did it off camera and I used the Gain dish soap and the Kirkland Costco brand of olive oil, amazing. This technique, what I did, turned out pretty well, kind of the same. So if you can't get to Costco, or you could buy it online because everyone's buying online right now, I advise that you do this hack using that stuff. But if you don't and you just have like this stuff laying around the house, it's very simple and easy to do. I advise that you try it out and you tell me and let me know how it turns out. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. Oh, one more thing. I want to say I'm so sorry about the video, how it's so long and switching back and forth. That is a technical difficulty that I need to figure out. So, yeah, thanks for watching.